Hi, I'm Kevin Castaneda, and this is Kev's Mindset, where we talk everything finance, investing, mindset, and productivity. And in this video, I'm going to be talking about Facebook stock and why I think that they're one of the most important stocks in the big tech kind of segment out of Apple, Google, Amazon, Facebook. Out of all these big tech companies, I think that Facebook is probably one of the most important ones and one of the ones that we need to keep an eye on. Today, I'm going to be talking about why that is and the huge growth propellers that are coming in the near future and why they are so important for the company and why I am personally just slowly adding more and more to my position on Facebook. So now, if you do enjoy this video, go ahead and smash that like button. Also, subscribe if you do want to watch more of my content in the future. And you can sign up with the public down below if you want to get up to $70 of a stock of your choice. And you get that just for signing up. So go down to the description below and go ahead and do that. Now, let's head straight into the video. Okay, so Facebook stock. Why am I so bullish on Facebook stock and what do I think about them for the future? So personally, Facebook as a company, I think they're going to be one of the most disruptive, most incredible and innovative companies to go for the next decade. I think that they're going to do crazy things. And they've been talking about their metaverse and how important that is for their business. And if you go back to like their 2017 10K form and read that versus their 2020 10K form, it's night and day difference. In 2017, they didn't have much of a vision. They were kind of looking out and saying, okay, we're trying to retain users. We're trying to grow our platforms a little bit. And they were mainly focusing on Instagram, Facebook, and Messenger. And now they are more zoned in on that Oculus side, on the portal side, and they're kind of trying to grow in that realm. And that's probably the most important realm that they can grow in. As yes, Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and all these things are great business models, and they do retain a lot of their a lot of active users. Most of us use Instagram, and your parents probably use Facebook, and these are all great platforms. However, there are some flaws with them, of course, these social media platforms are very good. However, social media platforms are not going to allow the business to continue forever because social media kind of comes and goes. And Facebook has done a good job at retaining their market share and at retaining their amount of users within their apps by generating new different haptics and new different things within these apps. However, I don't think that can go on forever. So now that Facebook is intelligent, they were able to go through and say, okay, we know that we're probably not going to be able to retain these active users forever. So what are we going to do now? And with the acquiring of Oculus, they really shifted their outlook to, okay, we need something bigger, something better, something that will shape the future and that will allow our business to get new levels of growth for a long time. And this is the thing that interested me and the reason I got into Facebook stock, because I think that it brings a lot of potential growth when you start talking about VR, AR, and about the future and about a metaverse. And if you watch, I think his name is Marquez Brown, and he has an interview with Mark Zuckerberg about a few months back, or a few weeks back maybe, and he talks with Mark Zuckerberg about the future of Facebook and about the AR and VR aspect of the company and where that can take them. And Mark Zuckerberg's responses are really interesting, and his idea for the future of AR and the future of VR is incredible. And I think that he's spot on. And I think this idea of a metaverse and of me being able to connect with you from not being together, but just having like some glasses or something and looking down and seeing each other and you being able to feel some sort of object and handing it back to me, that type of thing I think is huge. It's going to be huge for selling, it's going to be huge for advertisers, and it's kind of going to take that whole Zoom business model, mix that with the Oculus VR type of thing, and throw that all together, because obviously Facebook has the portal and they also have Oculus, and they're kind of trying to build this all together and create this huge thing where they're kind of creating a new kind of reality for us as consumers. And I think this is insane, and I think that it's going to be a big hit for Facebook, and I think that's what I'm kind of riding my hopes on for Facebook stock. And I think their stock's going to perform great as they continue to innovate and they continue to take on new technologies. I think that they're very in tune with what is coming forward for the future, and I think right now we're kind of at a point where we're really stepping into this new kind of realm of tech and this new realm of AI and just kind of learning and machine learning and all this, and I think it's huge. And I think that Facebook is doing a great job at being right at the forefront and moving forward and trying to build their kind of presence in this space, and I think that's huge for them. So I'm definitely bullish on Facebook stock. I think they're going to do great over the next few years, and I'm very excited to continue adding to my current position. So if you do enjoy this video, go ahead and smash that like button, or sorry, if you did enjoy this video, go ahead and smash that like button. Also, if you do want to talk about this some more, you can go to the comment section down below, and I'd love to respond back to you guys. Also, if you do want to subscribe, go ahead and click the subscribe button down below so you can watch more of my content in the future. Also, if you want to sign up with Public down below, go ahead and do that. You get up to $70 of a stock of your choice just for signing up. So get some free money down there, and I'll see you in the next one. This was Kev's Mindset.